Hey everyone, today we're fixing a super annoying problem. Laptop keyboard keys not working. I'm actually experiencing this right now. When I press my keys, nothing happens. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to fix it. So make sure you stick around till the end. Let's fix this together. First we need the on-screen keyboard to type. So, right-click the Start button and select Settings. Click on Accessibility. Scroll down to find Keyboard under the Interaction section and click on it. Toggle on the on-screen keyboard option. A virtual keyboard will appear on your screen. You can use this to type. Now here's what to do next. In the search bar, use your on-screen keyboard to type Run and open it. In the Run window, type REGEDIT and click OK. In the Registry editor, first expand HKey Local Machine. Then expand the System folder. Next expand Current Control Set. Now expand Services. Here find I8042PRT and click on it. On the right side, find Start. Right-click on Start and select Modify. Here is the main part. Change the value data to 1 and click OK. Finally, after making these changes, close all open windows and restart your computer one more time. Test your keyboard to see if the problem is resolved. As you can see, my keyboard's working properly now, so your keyboard should be working properly too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.